yes. So now as we drum regularly on top this station and on top this show. If you don't wonder where you did, you're not lost. You know I can't go anywhere. This one our Zobia TV. And this program where you see so now you're one and only Bubbles. Come on, raise your camera. Australia.
We are here again. To sip some things and talk anyhow.
We are here to analyze the problems where the ladies are causing in the nation.
Oh, blood number. When I don't hear them finish from my people, and I don't regularly. When I don't see them, my main people there we day here together. I get Shakara.
Okay.
And Showman.
So I need to chop knuckle before you go break my arm.
No, leave the knuckle to yourself. Yes, we don't come again on a note today. Matter where we say we don't think about so. We don't talk about time. We don't know. We don't ask questions about time. Today we want to talk about pet name Wahala. Pet name Wahala. All those names where they call your guy, they call your babe, you know. All the names where they call that pet name, Sha. Now we want to talk about today because it cause big
yes, so
for relationships, you know. And Shabali make una follow us, chook mouth for the talk. Make una they send una messages for social media. Una they see everything they run through our screen. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all and all. And make una they visit our website, where be wazobiatvng.ng. Shabali.
The Wahala. You know where the Wahala they were. You know, say you get one man will be say, you know, all those local Igbo men, their pet name no pass mommy. Mommy, they don't say consider with honey darling. So in they call in wife mommy. So mother-in-law come from village, come visit them. Mother-in-law they parlor, the wife they parlor. So in they say, so in they try say make the wife give mama drink. Now I say, mommy, I better give mommy drink. The two women confused. They don't know who won't give who drink now.
You know?
That's not old school pet name, but now you know why I like our girls of now. They'll just look you. Don't look you, see how you did. If you just look Shakara now, they'll just see this one. They don't just look at this one, you know, too home money, they'll just call her.
Get away with that. You're mad.
I call you the name.
You know say
I will slap this boy. You guys say something to the
But if you just see me now, just call me Harvard.
say I say Harvard. I get go look you finish. Any girl will call me Harvard. I go ask you. Now Oxford dictionary days on my head.
Wait to say girl go call Boniface.
No, the future look person like me say, oh my Teddy.
Hey, which guy said that is your head that deceive you? Whenever I like, but the only one girl, that girl call me sweet, now they call me pumpkin. Chai! When I call me pumpkin, I saw my head is scatter.
Pumpkin.
But no one's here.
You know what team be pumpkin?
Pumpkin.
Also a
Pumpkin.
What are you pumping and what are you keying?
Hi.
Shaggy, you and your wife, their pet name. Now funny pass for this life. What say? Ubu turu. One kind look at it. That one self go answer. Teri pepe.
Now Indian film. But see, Mo can go this level now. You know, say we don't use idea now talk through relationships and everything. But Mo can go where, you know, say some friends them they will say that they call themselves pet names. Sure, you know. Like for instance, now you be my guy. I they call you again him why they call you. You know, you be my guy again him why they call you. But for instance, I get babe now. How my old girlfriend would they call me honey? Then call look person like Shakara, they call you baby boo.
That one,
you know that thing now they really
like,
cause that one be the major one where they cause wahala kind of.
If they say they won't lock people where they guilty of that thing, I made the first lock. You know, say no get gay one they call my love. I see you, my love.
My brother, I dey guilty for that one too.
You know, but now how you want to differentiate your love and your love?
But my brother, Ugo, man we know say na him dey always drive the car. No suppose work for person where they watch the car. You understand? If I call my love different from when they say my love. You understand? So you know your own.
Still, for me, that's still the same thing because see, guy, relationship now these days, not be being so guy like me. You know if you can't they call me honey, you can't they call my friend baby.
Yes, because you know what? Because some girls they use a scam. They don't already know. Say, okay, doctor say, no, what's there? I call everybody honey. So when they come to do the real one, you know go know. The real one, they all pick the call. Hello, honey. How you there? You call say, okay, now so they call everybody honey.
That's it, a scam. Yes, that one a scam. That one, any girl where they get the same name where they call you with everybody, na scam. That's why even if they around there now girl they come and say babes. At last you they call me babes. You they call the person for phone babes. So that's how I call everybody.
But you know say the most common name where they call pet name where they use these days. I mean they call Hon, then I hate you and they will say na Hon, they will say babes, they will say boo, they will say dude. You know that kind of thing.
Now that boo self, now they will confuse me. You know, say before I say that in a course, the first day for BB. You know when I first come Lagos, I no go lie for you. You know, say I adjust as they for just.
We know where you come from, village place. So, you know they used to this civilization.
You know the chat. Now the guy comes in. Now the guy just say hello boo.
Now you rest.
If you see Ricky, now later Nemeka call they tell me say no what for you. She dey pet you.
Now really
I call they beg the girl.
My sister, she don't marry her, but she dey call her husband friend my boyfriend. And you will know say that one you clearly know say nothing will happen, you understand?
But me as a guy, I believe say that thing not to do alright.
No, you must assess and know the woman where you deal with. If you know say for instance now I no fit say Shakara will come my house as a friend.
Then your wife.
Then we don't know them. My wife can't call Shakara names. Because that is the name. Fit with what Shakara fit do. If fit with Shakara
you know mean. For example,
call Shakara pumpkin.
For
Shakara pumper. You can't
see. To me, no me. To me, na just friendship.
Na lie.
For a very good example, might give very good example now.
Friendship.
Make I can give you very good example now. Elenu wife, once she see me say my love, my love. It no get how.
That one different.
That one got
not the same thing with the
No,
talk.
that one.
Say my love, anytime.
They don't know themselves.
The relationship between you and
the wife
is different. But me, I think when we look at me the sense of okay, guy when you know they see, when we say you don't even do know him. You know say these are our babes and then they're very funny.
Yes. That kind of guy where you know they close to.
That kind of guy where you know to know.
When you don't know, but your babe know.
But your babe know.
That
but
one.
they always call about those pet names.
Yes, that one get us today.
So basically, no be only us chook mouth for the matter. We can't go street, can't ask people say, how you take Siam. Now so we take Putamo, how you take Siam if your guy or your babe they call in friends pet names. When they come back, we enter street, see as they go.
Sure. Now you say all out there.
I no go allow her.
Yes.
No.
In terms of how the friend relates.
It's not good now.
I can allow that. Free word. It's a free word now. Hey babe, it's a normal word that they can use for anybody. You know.
Why I go there for house? My girlfriend will there with me. They call the boyfriend. He dey my house. They take food. They call the boyfriend and say honey. It's not possible.
If she do that, I no go happy now. Then which name will she call me?
I have to pack a load though. Pack. No, I don't waste time. No, love not there for that one. You know, say man, they give you this size. I'll come out my friend with.
Hey, when I welcome back, I still Bobo Zan on Topazobia TV. All these men won't finish me for this place.
Like they say, you know, feed they dodge when girls they call her all those pet names. Takara na lover boy. And I've been feeling at me before. But Takara, when girl they call him all those names, and they see how he had the.
I don't know whether he don't follow me enter everywhere.
Yeah, no, but Takara, but that's good thing because you see when girl look you, and I don't know why for me or this day when girl just see me. I say, I am showman. He goes, no, what's your real name? They know they want to hear the showman. When girl don't begin the enter level, where she don't want to call you that your stage name, you want to know your botanical or biological name. You know, say she don't really like you. Then she can't go ahead to come give you name. We be say now only her. Then there is a serious problem. So that's why I'm saying now for any my madam to think of calling somebody pet name. My brother, you don't reach that level where you don't sit down and think.
But you know, say this our babes, then they're very, very funny. Then they're very, very funny. You know, say, babe, feel they date you now. Make it jam another guy. Make the guy level pass your own. But the babe not go let you know. But the babe will just let you know, say, I get one guy who I meet to now my friend, one thing, but you don't know him. The babe, if you can save his phone, I mean, save the guy number on top of his phone, you go can save him with baby boo 2. Your own baby boo 1. If you can't see that kind of thing, for instance, how you go take fail?
No,
and
I
the
must.
babe go always still give you excuses if they call on those names.
I must stay ahead. I must stay ahead. Because, but the advantage of these pet names, we say, if you be person with no like pet name, you like to call person with direct name. You know, say if you enter trouble easily. For example, now you call one guy honey, and then your guy come they crank you. As they crank you, you want to call her, hey honey. He go fi say na him.
Yes.
You they call.
Yeah.
But if you they call people by their name. Maybe you they call one guy outside Kingsley, and this guy way there on top. Now Michael, you could say, oh, Kingsley, King
Now
what?
why you know they reveal why guys they give girls pet names?
So that any name we call that time, if you call honey,
Shakara, why
baby,
you expose?
boo.
No, Shakara don't expose. You don't expose this thing now because
No, now make them
no,
know.
like
I
say-
want them.
no,
I want.
no.
Ladies,
You
I
know
want
say-
you guys to know.
You
That's
know,
why.
say, you know, say, I don't see guys we don't call girls pet name until they don't forget the person real name.
Well,
You know, say it
possible.
happen.
Yeah, possible.
Because
It
like
possibly
now, the guy, okay, we'll go now, you understand? You, as a real traditional Igbo man,
Yes.
with a girl like 7 to 8 girlfriends, he had to keep up with one name. So, if you just label all of them, honey, then maybe if you put honey, yaba, honey,
Iketu.
Ike, you understand? So that, but when you deal with them in that action, now honey, you go they call. Nobody will
now.
cast you.
Nobody
Now,
will
this
cast
guy
you,
try
now.
to talk with that.
See, Mo will talk the truth. Mo will talk the truth. This pet name thing na scam.
It no be scam, no be scam in total.
Na
A
scam.
good.
Some they make things easy. You know, say your babe won't ask you for something, and just say, Bia Ogochuku, I won't buy this thing. But when she say baby,
And when, your
you
girl
say-
call you your real biological name,
me no
you
say
know
na
wahala
problem,
dey.
na wala.
You understand?
But once you don't
Go
they
there,
enter,
we dey let you get
enter those names where they
Those
break
names,
you.
when you say, break
But
you.
you know say,
When
you
they
know
call
say-
you that name,
I see. I know be say I no agree with you when they talk. But any way me I dey enter this thing and say, I don't date one babe. I no go like you see this babe. You see this babe. You get one particular phone call which she dey always receive. She go say, hey, boo boo. You understand? He go laugh, he go talk. At the end of the day, he go dey tell me another story. But at the end, that boo boo na the main boyfriend, me I be sidekick.
Child.
No, but say am like that now. Not the truth. That
But-
guy na the main boyfriend, me I be the sidekick.
But you
Then
know,
I waiting at the look, say, Omo, why he be say, okay, that thing go. I don't feel cope. I don't go lie you.
okay, I know say,
but you know, say as the way where they call us all these sweet names, the same way that they call you bad name if you know they try, but you know they know. You go feel say you they do well, they don't save your name there. Like somebody like go save name, Dennis Snapper. Maybe they meet you for, maybe you buy food for them. They just say Ugo food.
or when you dey wire, you call the company, you call it like shortcoming. You call it shortcoming.
Showman come.
Abeg, yes, so no be only us Sunday here, make una dey send the messages them come sharply, so that we go to read them. We still enter, ask the same question for street. We ask women them say how you fit take cope if your guy or your babe they call their friends them pet names. We dey come back. Now see Bubbles on top of Zobia TV, don't go anywhere.
I know God that I don't want to.
There's nothing wrong with it, really.
No, I'm not the jealous type, really. I feel jealous.
Lie, Kojo. At all.
I cannot allow him to call his friends pet names. As long as there's no strings attached, no wahala.
If you trust the guy, there's nothing wrong. My own love is not blind, though. I'll see very, very well.
If you call a girlfriend, maybe you went out, they say another name, I prefer that one. But she will call her honey in my presence. I no go accept that.
I know they jealous people because me, I get confidence in myself. You know, she say me, I fine.
Welcome. Now welcome back. Now Bubbles here on top of Zobia TV. If you just join us, matter what we dey talk about today na pet name wahala. Because you know say different people dey wey be say dem dey inside relationship and they call their friends them pet names. You like am, e good, it makes sense, you know that kind of thing. But we don't dey inside studio here wey be say we dey analyze the whole matter, they chook eye, they touch lights everywhere, sharply. And I sit there with my men them, Shakara still there.
Live and direct.
Showman self still dey inside studio. And now, make we go social media, go here with you and talk, go and follow us talk, sharply.
At freelance talk say if the name no gets meaning, then yes. Like Ubi baby, wahala deo. You call her Ubi baby. At IG tips, he say, well, if no be my wife X, then no wahala. And if no be wife X, nine be then no wahala. At Titilayo, a guy no suppose give another babe pet name cause na so it dey start. But babe fit call your friend name and you know say e go end there. This now,
she believe in herself.
He say guy no suppose give another babe pet name cause na so e dey start. But babe fit call your friend name and you know say e go end there. I agree small.
That means girls they more faithful now.
Yes.
And which is very correct.
I agree small. It's very
What do you
correct.
mean by girls they more faithful than men? What are you trying to say?
No. In this part of the world, ladies are more faithful because they
agree
know
with you.
they
No,
know
let us
what
carry
it
that
takes
matter go that side. I don't agree with you.
to get husband.
No tell me
you
say
know?
girls they more faithful in
My
this
brother,
part of the
a
world.
man, they say man, they say a man no need any reason to cheat. But woman, you need over 1 million reason to cheat. If woman look your friend, like now, woman, if you just look you now, it go, because of maybe you don't talk one thing, like Shakari, like we come play woman. If you don't look Shakari, like transformer. You don't give her name with that. You know where it is. But you, man, you see person, babe. The girl get big Odiyan, they call her Uku. Uku, they call your babe friend Uku.
But you know say, but you know say women self they cheat because women they be like cats. You know, you never see where cat they piss before.
Yeah, I know.
It hard to see where cat they piss. But dog feel waka reach one place, he raise leg, he piss.
But see,
So women are cats now.
I tell you.
Okay, now why do they call them pussy cats? Oh, okay.
Okay.
That's not what he tried to okay. No, more Drake, no problem. Let's say,
Doro Gucci.
But sincerely, make we see. You know, say me, I they like enter through the traditional angle. You know, I they like enter through the traditional angle. No babe could be your babe will give you full respect. No say you don't like this kind of thing. Go they call your friend sugar bomb. Whereas they call you honey.
No. Actually, no. Some, like I say, most of them are scam because the one way don't happen to me before. You know, so I don't deal with babe. We be say her phone they ring, she they bath. I look who they call. I see say mechanic. Mechanic. I say, baby, mechanic, they call you, say, leave her. After another phone, enter again. This one, know what I see? Battery charger. I can't say, make I even call my number. Man, see what this babe take save my name. As I call, see my name. Network failure.
because no be your girlfriend now.
You know when your girlfriend.
You know who you go carry. Now why?
That thing, the thing they somehow.
Don't be saying no be my girlfriend. We just start that time. We just meet.
So you can't call you network
At
failure.
the beginning, now from club they enter dance now.
Yeah, but okay. So what do you feel say make her call you network failure?
Network failure.
Because when girl give you name, now based on what she don't see.
That time I know they drop. I just come Lagos that time. Things rough.
So you call you network failure.
You go chop now before you drop.
But for me though, I not talk say to call person pet name no make sense.
It makes sense.
It makes sense. It good, but my own I say no use them. They scam people. No just say you I be Shakara friend. I can't call Shakara honey boom for my back now. You they go honey boom through. I don't want that kind of thing. And not true.
But if you don't like something, if you tell your partner, but it is risky if you tell your partner because you see something where you tell them where she can't they want now they hide to they do. You go they that anything where they cover you know go. But if you allow me she express herself, you see and they call the guy. If your girlfriend now begin they call me sweet lips.
I don't anything.
You understand?
I don't go I beg before my woman go start to they call this boy sweet lips. Una know the regular thing where they send you now every time to educate una on top some things for this show. This one now word don't spoil. Wow, maybe go. Wow, pass go. We are coming. welcome back. This one still bubbles here on top of Zobia TV. When I don't see that one, shall that one now word don't spoil. No be beans.
The word it
No
have
be
spoiled.
beans. It have spoiled tete. It have spoiled tete. When I don't say this one, we they just show finish now. Now something we say we supposed to put inside.
Our eye inside already.
We supposed to put inside well because no be beans. Before in those days, children them,
That time when you want marry.
yeah, children them they come meet parents, then they waka go there. They know they carry too much sense. They know they do too much sense when they want marry. But now, marriage is a strong thing. I know they talk of marriage, I they talk of the say about to marry. When you don't see baby you want marry, wedding itself.
That
na
time,
strong thing.
my parents, I know say you know the two things. Now maybe na yam, then cassava, then little fowl.
You know, that would even do all those things. Those
You know the two.
palm wine. Once you don't bring, carry see one keg of one keg. Once you just call like this.
Why not that one? Why not that one?
My brother,
Mazi, okay. I see one flower for your backyard. Oh, like to plug it. I don't dey against that flower. If the girl fine, see flower. But if she will, feel free to say, Mazi, okay. I see one bitter leaf for your backyard. We are here to plug it.
That one are the major matter where we carry can't give on our beg. We know say in those days, easy for our parents them to marry, then make them easy. I beg, make them easy for us because the brother say we don't reach that time where they talk say 7 women will hustle for 1 man. Before we go say okay, I want marry this one. I go say bring 1 trailer of yam, 2 trailer of.
We go even go for 3 of us dey for here. Now the reason we make at least 2 of them never still marry. Now this issue of
you don't even get girlfriend.
You even get girlfriend.
No,
Talk about something